meal and then look at Tyler. We are currently at IKEA, or not currently, we're about to go into IKEA. It's right there. Ty's just getting a boost juice. But I thought we'd bring you guys along with us on our little journey because we obviously bought a house, so exciting. And we have a lot to get at IKEA. Specifically wardrobe stuff, we need some like wardrobe inserts, but we're pretty much just gonna shop till we drop. Got a little crazy. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with us on this little IKEA journey. A little vlog, if you will. And yeah, what'd you get? Mango?
Mango passion fruit. I wanted something with passion fruit in it.
So we need
drawers for the wardrobe.
Wardrobe inserts and things.
Yep. And then you need desk chair.
Yes.
Because mine's falling a bit.
Okay, let's go up the stairs. Wait, do we want to do escalator?
No.
Oh, we're doing stairs. Okay. Man, that could have been us.
It's only like 2 flights.
Oh, welcome to IKEA. We are. We're going to go through and just browse. I love IKEA. It's been so long since we've been here. Oh my god.
I love it. Everything has tags on it. So like, if you see anything you like, you can just take a picture and at the end, you know exactly where to go.
Exactly. This is a cute little setup. They've got like a pull-out bit. That's pretty cool. For like jewelry, like this would be beneficial to me.
Yeah, so that is the packs. That's the small version though.
But I think a layout like this would kind of work. Like
yeah,
upwards storage, the hanging stuff, and then drawers for like our pants, underwear, you know, shirts and stuff. I think this kind of layout is nice in a way. What have they done over here? I guess they've done the same thing. We'll have to get to the actual wardrobe part to have a look at everything and pricing and stuff. But for now, I like. How's that stuck on there? Because this is cool.
They just get screwed in.
Yeah, okay. And like those little hooks up there are cool too. Ethan.
He's Ethan Lou.
Who's Ethan? That's sick. Look at that chopping board. Oh, we need something like that. That's huge. Oh, the little thingy. I love this. Oh, a doorway into another room. It's like the cupboard to Narnia. It's so cozy. I love it. Just like ambient lighting. We need so much ambient lighting in our house. It's gonna look so nice. That's cute as. Oh, the price isn't cute. Should we test it? It's like on the harder side. It's cute though. It's like boucle. It's really nice. That's stunning. Crazy price, but it's cute as. Same with that one. I really like that. But we're so far away from like the outdoor section of our house. We're not even thinking about it. It's kind of giving cage. Looks like cage. That's
None of that's our aesthetic.
No, it's too moody.
That in like a white or a pink.
That's beautiful. I really like the couch. Give us a preview.
Bit hard.
Bit hard? Alright, never mind. That is cute. It's like kind of cute, but once again, glass. I don't think glass is the play. We'll end up with fingerprints everywhere. Kind of love that. Oh, a little lamp. We already have lamps, but I really like that lamp. This is the sound system. We saw it last time. I don't think it's working.
It feels weird just to stand in here.
It's very quiet. It like takes away from the chaos of IKEA. It also makes my ears feel weird.
Yeah. That's weird. Look, it's very quiet.
It's peaceful. We need a tray like this. 100%. Wait, this lamp is so weird. What the hell? Oh, that's trippy. It's kind of cool, but it's trippy. Also, Tyler, that mirror, 10 out of 10. I think these would be so cool for the pantry. Just to like save space and stuff. Like you've got stuff there, like food, whatever. And then in here, like, I don't know, packets of food. Like, I think that makes sense. I really like that. Plus, there's just people everywhere. I feel shy. Oh my god.
You shouldn't do it.
There's people
You're never
around.
going to see these people
I
again.
feel shy. Alright, Tyler is on the hunt for a desk chair. Potentially. Wait, Tyler, look at that one. It's a bubble. Oh, he's going for like gamer looking ones. Oh, that's cute. I don't like that. That's $400. God damn. So that is this. That looks like an alien. It's so scary.
How's that one?
Ooh, it's cold. This one leans back. And it's got armrests. My bag is stuck. Having a bag is the most annoying thing ever. It's only $100. Much cheaper.
It's $100.
Yeah. It's cute. I'd get one of these. This is nice.
Hey. That's not bad. 100%. Alright, that one.
All right, we're sold on the Flinton. Are we gonna get 2 or just 1?
Huh?
Because mine's still good. My chair's still good. But if we want matching ones,
Do you want to match one?
I think matching would make sense, right?
Get 2 then.
All right, we're gonna get 2 of these. Wait, that's kind of fun. Should we get one?
Yeah, get it.
That's actually so cool. I definitely want one of these for the iPad. Like when we're cooking recipes and stuff, we can just sit it up there and be like, doo-doo-doo.
Take a picture of it.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get the. How do you say that?
I've heard of it.
Havrehoj? Man, I can't speak Swedish. Isn't it crazy? The last time we came to IKEA was us saying, "Oh my god, can't wait to have a house. Can't wait to buy stuff to have a house."
Yeah.
And now we're here
And we
as homeowners. It's that is stunning.
$6.
No, that's not it.
It's 119.
Oh, ours was cheaper, wasn't it? Yeah. We got ours from Bunnings. I love white sinks. Like, is this a kitchen sink or a laundry sink?
It could be either. It's probably a bathroom sink too.
How much did we pay for our sink? Our laundry sink? It was like $120, yeah. But I really like this. These are our kitchen cabinets.
These are ours.
Yeah. Oh, this stove is so cute. Wait, this is the stove we have. This is literally the stove we have in our house.
Yeah.
The guy before us came to IKEA and just decked it out with IKEA stuff.
This looks tacky.
No, I like the white. Like the white oven is so cute. Oh my god, and he has this as well. We have one of these. We actually need to get more of these so that we can hang our herbs and stuff on it. Get one of these.
You can hang some stuff.
I think this is going to come in handy 100%.
Yeah.
And for $34, we'd be stupid not to get it. Oh, they do have little laundry sinks here. Bunnings was still cheaper, but this is cute as hell. It's got a little compartment over here. Cute. Actually, you know what we do need? A clothes horse. Like a drying clothes thingy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's insane. I'm getting to the point of the renos where I'm like, I can't be bothered.
Me too.
I just want to move in. Oh wait, let me take a photo of this. Is that the fridge? I know. That's the fridge. It's so sleek when they match with the cabinetry. I love this kitchen with like the... Oh, that comes out fast as hell. Nah, this reminds me of like an airplane. Overhead storage. So Tyler had an idea.
So we could buy... Well, these are different. I prefer the timber ones. Because all the cabinets in our kitchen are from IKEA. We could buy glass doors like this and just put them in. Because they're the exact same length.
Same size, same everything. These are Lux.
It means we'd have to make sure our dishes are clean and they're presented well.
You can't just hide them in the cabinets. Oh, I'm seeing these coupe glasses everywhere and I kind of want them. I'm literally seeing them everywhere. They're calling my name. I might be going home with some coupe glasses today. It's not a trip to IKEA if you don't come and play kitchen. I'm going to supply. I can have the best nap here, I'm not gonna lie. I want a nap. I want a nap. Oh my god, that's huge. I want a big watering can. That is massive. We're gonna pick up one of these because we already have one of these in our kitchen, but we're gonna have 2 so we can have a little basil, a bit of rosemary, you know.
Don't ever say those things like that again.
Wait, what is this?
I think it's for knives to sit in.
Oh, like in your cabinets, yeah.
Yeah, so it's safe. How big's our drawer?
Drawer size?
Oh man.
Oh, the wood. Wait, do you like the
Our
wood?
drawers are wider than that. I reckon they're 60 centimeters, like that.
I reckon that's our drawer there.
Yeah,
Oh yeah?
that's what we could
What
do.
does that sound?
Someone touched something they shouldn't have.
Actually, do you like the wood?
Yeah, looks good. If we get like one of each of them, that'll fit our drawer fine.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
I'd love to get some of these today, just for like the cutlery area. So we
Yeah.
can put cutlery in our house. Alright, we've found the dining tables. We're gonna have a little look.
We want something round.
It's not the right wood though, you know?
Yeah, it's a bit light. Marketplace will probably be our best bet for dining table.
Yeah, because we might be able to get something good for cheap.
Yeah.
Grab that. 'Cause look at Tyler, he's holding all this stuff. Yeah, they don't really have dining tables we're after. Beds though. Hey, we need a new bed. I kind of like that. It's literally our bed at home. It's white. I really like it. What can I say? Oh, this is so fun. Look at this cute little bath mat. Oh, god damn. Hello, shower curtain. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, do they sell these? I want these. Tyler, what do you think of that?
I like it.
Quilt cover. Does that mean I can get it?
Yes.
There's double bed that I think would be ideal for our guest room, the song sand. And it's stunning. And it's got, oh no, it doesn't have storage. My bad. I'm blind. How cute is that? Oh, it's got storage on that side. Someone's sitting there. I can't show you. Oh, I used to have this mirror. I kind of miss it. I gave it away. I should have kept it. It's so cute.
Then if we had
That's our bed. Oh, I actually love those lights. Like, having that in our room would actually be so luxe. It's weird that that's our bed because it looks so much better in IKEA than it does in our room. It looks so cute. I'm like, oh my god, I want that.
In our room.
Yeah.
That's why.
Guys, this is the most exciting part of IKEA. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Oh my god, the shark. Didn't you have one of these?
No.
I swear you had one of them. I swear Tyler had a shark. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god.
It's got a zipper mouth.
I always wanted a big snake when I was a kid. I don't know why. I loved the look of them. Oh, the bear. Oh my god, he's so iconic. Cute. This is like the mascot of IKEA right here. This is him. Oh my god. I didn't realize I'd meet a celebrity today. Alright, the cafeteria is right here. We need energy ASAP. Like, I'm flatlining right now. I'm not okay.
Angry. Yes, I thought.
I'm getting hangry. I am hangry.
Let's get some food in here.
Get some food. Oh, I got chips. Yeah, I want a chip. Let's go. It's so busy. Tyler's got salad and apple cake so far.
Get a veggie hot dog wrap.
Ew, they look so gross. Oh, do I get a bread roll? I love a bread roll. What do we? What's apple and what the hell? I'll grab a little cork. 2 bits of garlic bread. Look at my meal, and then look at Tyler's meal. Oh my god. Literally a kid's meal. My biscuits, my garlic bread, and my chips. That actually looks really good. I kind of want some cucumber. I'm going to try one of these bickies. I have these square nails and I'm not used to them. It's really hard to like get into them again. Right, so that's what it looks like. It's little hearts on the back. It's actually really cute. You want to try one? It's like vanilla strawberry flavored. It's really nice. We're now at the exciting part of IKEA where we like get to grab everything and do all the shopping and stuff. This is all the kitchen stuff. We never know what we're gonna need when it comes to the kitchen. Oh, look at these. What is this?
It's a spoon.
Like a little and a whisk. Oh, Ty, we need one of these 100%. Yeah. I love the wood handled stuff. We need one of these. He's running off for me. He doesn't care. Pizza board. That's sick. They actually have heaps of chopping boards. We're gonna need one.
It's like, this is the pizza board. It's not beside of it.
Oh.
That's a good chopping board. I like that.
It's got the edging too, so you don't leak anything.
Dang, that was loud.
That's massive.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Lip.
Oh. It goes over the counter like that. So it stays in place.
But what about this side? What if you use it for this?
Just deal with it, I guess. I love asymmetrical stuff. I freaking love that. They have an asymmetrical one. Yeah, these are good for pan lids and stuff, like pans.
Yeah, that's $4. You want 2 of these?
Yeah, may as well. They come in handy. Look at some of them. Look at these. The salt and pepper shaker.
Yeah.
You not a fan?
I'm a big fan, I'll be honest.
I do think I want that grater.
Go grab the grater.
I think I want the grater.
Go grab it. I'll be right here. Alright, let's have a look at some cutlery. I need gold stuff. That's gold cutlery. Can't pull it out. Ugh. That is not gold. Gold. Oh, I've crashed.
Good gold straws.
Yes, we can just... Are they chopsticks?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I checked all sides. No gold here. Maybe it's in a different section.
Maybe IKEA just does not.
Take it off.
Oh, that's copper.
It's very expensive. This little thing is $60.
That's $60. What the hell, aren't they? Oh, that's nice though. Look at that. That looks so much better than a regular, like this kind of stuff.
That's proper stainless steel.
Yeah, that looks stunning. For $99 though, I'm definitely not. The bedspread, but all I wanted was the pillowcases. I didn't want the actual... I mean...
It feels nice.
We could put it on our bed. I'm not complaining about it. How much is a queen? Can you even say that word? 𝑺𝑶�զ𝑳𝑺.
Don't even try. Single, double, queen,
Queen.
king, right? Or no? It says 200 by 200.
Okay, well yeah, a queen is a square, so that would be the queen. We don't need it. It's fine. I got willpower. Do you need new towels?
We usually do.
Well, I was thinking green, pink, and yellow. $10.
Maybe to Kmart trip too.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe we'll leave the towels for Kmart.
Yeah.
Or Pillow Talk, because I'm not loving them. I mean, I've already got so many bath mats, but look at this big fluffy boy in front of the bath.
Hell yeah.
How good does that feel? What is that? That's a
homunculus one.
That's wild. What is it? Wait, this one's gold tie. That would suit our house. Little gold one.
Cute.
I actually really like that. I don't know why. It's cute. Oh my god. We should have wrote a list because we are just raw dogging it right now. And we have no idea what we're doing.
We don't need any of that.
I love that basket. That's such a cute basket. Put your throws and stuff in there.
Yeah, true.
That's stunning. I love that.
That is cool.
$60 though. Bit queasy. The light section. This is my favourite part of IKEA.
Can you get those lamps to the bedside table? Those ones up there that go up and down?
We could. Like drill them into our wall. Look at the flower lamp. That's so cute. Like these would look luxe next to our bed. 100%. Oh, I can't wait to have ambient lighting everywhere in our space. Hey, this is a cute little lamp. Look at this little gold one. This would suit our house. In the decor section, this is dangerous. This is where it gets very dangerous. Like, look at this vase. It's so cute. Oh, what the hell is that, Ty? Is this a little sprayer for your plants? We're actually kind of tired. This has been a big day, big dry up as well. And we've just come to realize that the wardrobe inserts can be ordered online and only online.
Yeah.
So we kind of came in for nothing, which is great. We're going to still have a look around, see what other bits and pieces we can get, and hopefully make this trip not as useless.
Yeah.
That's so aesthetic.
It is. 3 little pots on it.
Actually, we need something in our living room to hide the internet. The internet would still stick out, but that's freaking adorable. My back hurts so much. I don't know what I've done to my back, but it really hurts. Now we're in the self-serve furniture section. Our itty bitty trolley. We're gonna find a desk chair and just whatever else we find. We've got a little outdoor seat for our front patio.
And it's $100.
$100. What a bargain. Okay, IKEA trip done. We got quite a few pieces. We got some desk chairs, a hanger for our laundry. What else is in there? What is that?
Yeah.
We forgot what we bought.
It's a bench for the front of the house.
Oh yes, we got a bench, an outdoor bench. We got a couple of things, but we didn't particularly get what we came here for, which were the wardrobe drawers. So we're just going to do an online order, but we're exhausted. We're going back to the car and we're driving 2.5 hours home. So we'll see you guys later.
Bye.